pamoja.
Jalop jatend piny Kenya Kithure Kindiki oko attend counties mondo mioji chenro mar gedo mag kembe mantie gwenge kaluwore ni gisani sirkal temo ni otiek gedo mag kuondego mag kembego mantie counties aboro ma pachoka kaka yor bero chumi mar Sirkal. Olero ni sirkal oseketo koke winjruok kod moko kuom pinje mar neno ni kinde ma sirkal temo choko mwandu mar neno ni kembego chako tich e yo makare. Joket mwandu bende oywa machiegni mondo mi oket mwandu gi kembego. Counties masani ogik tieki gin kaka mago moting'o Meru, Embu, Kirinyaga, Kisii, Busia, Migori, Garissa kod Wajir.
Three phases. I think we know what
we want to request every county to prioritize not only the construction but also the operationalization of the KIPE as a way of making the county competitive and also improving Kenya's competitiveness. We have signed a number of international trade agreements that opens market access for Kenyan products, but some of them are quota free. You know, that means they are endless. You can export endlessly without any quota and tariff free. China is one example. We have the economic partnership agreements with the Europe and the EU. So please, this is the engine that will take us to where we want Kenya to go. So there is going to be a standard way of getting these KIPEs off the ground. And finally, we have also resolved that the utility agencies of government, water, energy, and housing, and the other infrastructure agencies will work around the clock to provide the necessary support infrastructure, roads, waste management facilities, electricity, water, and so forth.